The spread of COVID-19 has been disproportionately high in the Latinx community. And take a look at these numbers that really paint the picture. According to the Los Angeles Times, Latinx residents make up 40% of California's population, but account for a staggering 58% of its COVID-19 cases and 48% of the state's deaths from the virus. So here to discuss all of this is the newly elected chair of the Congressional Hispanic Caucus, California Congressman Dr. Raul Ruiz. Thank you so much for being here with us. Let's take a look at this. What do you think are the reasons for COVID-19's disproportionately high numbers in the Latinx community? Because they are staggering.
I can tell you from firsthand experience that farm workers are at highest risk of getting infected, other high-risk essential workers. They cannot work from home, and oftentimes they're in locations, especially in packing houses, where they are in close proximity with limited resources to keep their face covered and limited ability to wash their hands when they're working. They're at highest risk of dying from COVID-19 because of the underlying disparities in healthcare. They have higher rates of diabetes, cardiopulmonary diseases, and other illnesses that make them susceptible to death.
And you are a medical doctor. You worked in the emergency room prior to joining Congress, and you've really merged those two expertise areas. You've been out in your district administering COVID-19 tests to farm workers. Tell me about those experiences and the people you met out at the testing sites. What were they telling you?
I really see a hunger for information. I really see a concern that they want to keep their families safe. And I really see that they are vulnerable and anxious and want the resources so that they can keep safe.
And I want to ask you, President-elect Joe Biden, he promised to assemble a diverse cabinet. The Congressional Hispanic Caucus has lobbied for Latinx cabinet members. How do you feel about the president-elect's elections thus far?
We need more on the cabinet because this pandemic has taken a toll on Hispanics, the largest minority group in the United States in terms of education, the economy, healthcare access. And so we very much need Latina, we need gender equity, we need women in the cabinet. So we're really urging that we break the 2 Hispanic member quota that we usually get and get two Latinas into cabinet positions so that we can have the full experience of the Hispanic community with gender equity in the cabinet.
That is an important note. Thank you so much, Congressman Dr. Raul Ruiz. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.